The DJI Flip is a super convenient, compact drone that's perfect for creators who need something portable but still want great performance. Let's get into why this drone might be exactly what you're looking for. One of the best features of the DJI Flip is how easily it fits into your bag. The propellers fold up neatly into the body, so it becomes much smaller when packed away. This makes it much easier to travel with, even in smaller backpacks used for trail running. It's slightly bigger than the DJI Neo but smaller than the Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro when unfolded. Another great thing about this drone is how simple it is to use. The DJI Flip has an auto turn-on feature, meaning that as soon as you pull the propellers out, the drone is ready to fly. On top of that, it has palm takeoff and landing features. You can safely launch and land the drone directly from your hand. If you're a solo creator, like a vlogger or filmmaker, it can follow you automatically. This means it tracks your movements while filming, allowing you to focus on what you're doing without worrying about flying the drone yourself. This feature is fantastic for solo creators. You just do your thing, and the drone does the rest. Let's talk about video quality, because that's the main reason you're buying a drone. The DJI Flip can shoot up to 4K at 60 frames per second. If you want some extra style in your videos, it also lets you shoot 4K slow motion at 100 frames per second. It's equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, so it performs well even in low-light conditions. With 10-bit video and a D-Log-M color profile, you'll find it super easy to adjust the colors of your footage during editing. Another impressive feature is its ability to fly at wind speeds up to 20 miles per hour, which is pretty solid. Additionally, the DJI Flip includes front-facing sensors to help prevent collisions while flying forward. However, it's important to note that it doesn't have sensors on the back or sides, so you'll need to be careful when flying in reverse. With a 31-minute battery life, you'll have more than enough time to get the shots you need before you need to bring it back for a battery change. The DJI Flip makes it easy for anyone to fly. You can control it using button controls on the drone itself, or, for more precise control, you can use a smartphone app. You also have the option to upgrade to the RC2 controller for more advanced shots. This controller lets you control the drone's movement with precision and unlock additional features like cinematic flight paths and multi-shot angles. In terms of range, the DJI Flip performs quite well with a 13-kilometer signal range, surpassing the Neo's 10 kilometers. At $439, the DJI Flip sits right between the Mini 3, $419, and the Mini 4 Pro, $759. For the price, you're getting great camera quality and impressive features. While it doesn't offer FPV capabilities, it still has great features that make it a solid investment. To wrap things up, the DJI Flip is perfect for solo creators or anyone who needs a portable yet powerful drone for high-quality video content. It's light, easy to use, and offers solid video and flight performance. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.